So what if I just do it like that? From bottom up looks pretty good as well. Should I just been building my Gundams like this and from this angle? Make the Gundam looks pretty big, eh? Nice. Hello everyone, this is that friend guy. Today brought to you Gundam Aerial. Have it for quite some time, and today we're gonna actually build it. Finish building it to be accurate. So here I have every single component ready. So this is the body. This is the waist portion, so I guess we can just combine it together like this. Whew. Right. Okay. And then the next thing, let's put on the backpack, shall we? Oh, sorry, I forgot to introduce this kid. This is a HG kid, Gundam gunpla kid from Bandai. So you can see here, this is the box. It's a manual. And here I put on the parts already. So as you can see, I started on the body already. Okay. So I might as well just keep going with it. Put on the head. Here's the head. And now put on his shoulders. This is one of the favorite Gundams that came out lately. Looking great. So just take a look at different angles. The articulation is just technology improving all over the place. This is a leg. Looks like a horse leg for some reason. Just put it on. And the other leg. I wonder if my camera will catch its own in person, so I need to move it a little bit. Okay. Okay. So I guess this is a good angle. And then here I put on the leg. Oh, sorry, his feet, I guess. Oh. His skirt fall off, and there's nothing. There's no balls. But that's fine. I guess this is a feminine Gundam. The main character is a female pilot. Alright. Then I was gonna put on his arm. Okay, so I get this arm need to be outside because you can attach two things. His left arm. And then let's put on his hand. Yeah. Oh. I think his quads are a little bit fat. So this is him with the body you'll put on, right? Different angles. There we go, and then you put on his shield. One of the biggest selling point of this thing, and the shield can break and become weapons, also become a shield to him. And then you put on his rifle gun, which can act as a sword as well. Like this. Alrighty, so this is the HG Aerial Gundam. Ooh, keep on getting his skirt off. Let's put it back. Okay. This is what she looked like. It's a gun. She looks good. Wonder if I can do the pose from the box. Hey, it'll look cool. So I guess she had to do this. Do it like that. And do it like that. Oh. Actually, it's a pretty cool pose. I think that somewhat is the pose, I guess. The shield has to be like that a bit. Yeah. I think this is looking great. Let's do a different angle. Oh, it's falling off. Okay, so I think it's pretty stable. The way that you can pose her is pretty stable and looking pretty good, right? And then see that nothing is falling off. It's just my camera angle isn't super great. Let's take my camera off to kind of different kind of angles. Yeah, so here I have it. This is Gundam Ariel. Hope you guys like the kit, and then yeah, I'm gonna put it along with my collections. If you like this kit and like the video, please like and comment below, and then to have some discussion, some sort of subscribe, please. And if you feel that it's gonna come back, and then yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. And see you guys next time. Peace.